What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're gonna be taking a nice look at some Baws clothing. Shout out to the home team Baws. Link in the description box below. You guys can save 25% off with my discount code, and I will leave that right here on the screen for you guys. So I'm gonna be giving you guys about 7 shirts that came in from the home team, and these shirts you can be pretty diverse with them. They can go with multiple different shoes. You can pick out one shoe that you want to place them with, some old, some new, but the colorways are very, very dope when it comes to these t-shirts. As well as we did get another Funko, y'all. I told y'all I don't do Funko hauls really like that. I think I've only done one on the channel, and I probably told you guys that's probably the only one that I do, unless I get like 3 or 4 Funkos in at one time. But this one in particular, y'all, is the Ice Cube Impala. So I did pre-order this Funko from GameStop, and of course it says Ice Cube with the Impala. You guys can see it right there. I've already taken it out of the box and everything for you guys. This is pop number 81, and right here on the back you guys can see how that thing looking. It does have the city of Los Angeles on the back of the box for the background if you were to look at it like this. City of LA behind it, so he cruising down the street in his 6'4". And as y'all seen, here is the Funko, y'all. So I think it's pretty neat how they came up with this idea and they put him inside of the 6'4". I dig it, man. It gives me that Boys in the Hood vibe. You feel what I'm saying, y'all? And on there it says Ice Cube for the actual license plate front and back. And you know, he got his classic black bandana on that thing. He got that black rag on, and you know, he cruising like for real. And if you really look at it, when you sit like this, it did come with like a stick. As y'all see, I kickstand them real quick for you guys, so you guys can check out how he's sitting like that. But that is pretty much the Ice Cube Funko. So let's go ahead and let's get into the goods. I'm gonna show you guys some ball shirts, and I'm gonna also show you some shoes that you guys can rock with them. Let's get to it. Yeah. And first we have this green long sleeve ball shirt, and you guys can see my man, he got the ammunition and everything on him. He got a bazooka, and then of course you have the balls right there. Perfect for the pine greens, whether you want to go with the OG pine green or whether you want to go with the pine green 2.0. Both excellent choices. You guys see it. You guys tell me which pair you think looks best with it. I honestly feel like I would probably rock the pine green 2.0 in it, just because this is more of a sail colorway in the OG pine greens, and this one right here has a true white on it. So first shirt right here, long sleeve Balls. Y'all already know how we rock. Now another long sleeve shirt, and of course you guys can see just by the colors, you already know that this goes with the Shy, United, however you want to call them, retro 3s. I don't own those, so I just pulled out a couple of 3s that I have. You have the fire red 3s that this could rock out with, and of course you guys can see the elephant print right here on there. You do have the black elephant print on this pair right here. Then we have the Tinker 3s, again, just a hit of the red right there. Kind of gives you that contrast from the shirt to the shoes. You guys can see right there, you have that Nike Air branded. My favorite, the Katrina 3s, which is probably the one that I would probably rock this with the most, is probably rock this out like that, because I feel like this gives it a great touch. You have the all white with the subtle hits of red inside of the Katrina 3s. Very dope shoe, and very soft shoe, if I must say so myself. I love that they brought these back, but let me know which pair you think looks best with them. Now this is one of my favorite shirts probably out of all the bunch that they sent over to me. I think this is just stupid crazy. I love the fact that you have like this transformer looking Balls bear, and you guys can see just it kind of gives you like that Bumblebee vibe. And of course I had to pull out the Carmelo Anthony 2002s. You already know class of 2002 goes perfect with this. I feel like this is probably the only shoe that really has that perfect, like, you know, this is a weird type of yellow. I would say it's kind of like a golden yellow, but it's a weird type of yellow to match up. And this pair right here, at first I was looking at Thunder 4s or even the New Loves, but I feel like just with the color of how it looks. The yellow on the New Loves is a little bit brighter than this, and this has more of a darker yellow. Then you have that subtle hit right there of that red on the Jumpman. Goes perfect with this shirt right here. Let me know what you guys think about this thing. This one right here, man, stupid fuego. I mean, all the shirts are fuego, but this one right here, stupid fire flames, you dig? So before we get into the next shirt, y'all, I just had to say I do have these Ferrari 14s, and I think that this actually is a good hit too. This is a good hit too. I honestly can say this is a good hit too. So we can't leave these out. I gotta say that this go. It kind of, you know, throwing some black jeans with this, or you can wear some black ball sweats, and you know you got the balls all over it. But yes, these actually do go too. So before we get into the next shirt, I had to show you guys this though. On to the next. So with this purple ball shirt right here, honestly, I did pull out the court purples, y'all, but I see more so it's kind of like how I told you guys earlier with the pine greens, because this is a true white. Yes, you could hit it with these, but if you got the low court purples, this is just a banging option to go with these right here. So I'm definitely feeling the lows on this. Some people might say, hey, I'd rather rock the highs. A lot of people don't really like lows like that, but if it was up to me, and if I was putting these on, I'd rock my lows with it, y'all. But this one right here, cool ball shirt right here. He got the glasses on, classic balls, face, and everything. And I would definitely go with the low court purples with this one right here. But y'all see how it is, man. It's extra large. All the shirts are in extra large. I wear extra large in all my shirts, regardless of what brand it is. If it's a designer shirt, it might be a little bit different because we all know how they run a little bit tight. So, but this right here, all the shirts that you guys are seeing today, extra larges. On to the next one. So this one right here, again, kind of has like a Transformer type vibe, Baws face to me, but it is still the classic Baws bear. You guys can see this one, I didn't pull no shoes out because, come on, y'all, we all know that like most Jordan colorways come in black, red, and white, and black, red, and white, y'all. So you can wear these with anything that's black, red, and white when it comes to the J's. And with these shirts, you ain't really even gotta wear no J's with them, y'all, to be honest. I'm just picking out Jordans that would go with these shirts because I know a lot of people try to either match Jordans up. You know, see a lot of young cats out there that might be wanting to match their J's up with these type of shirts and stuff like that. I'm really one of those people that's been, as I've gotten a little bit older, I'm not too big, too hard on the matchy, but I do like to match. But you know what I'm saying? So yes, really, you can rock this with anything. Actually, you know, with this color, you can actually wear it. But if you own the Kilroy 9s, if I just had to show one, when I was looking at the shirt, I was like, dang, Kilroy 9s actually hit hard with this just because of the silver type gray vibes on it. Then you have the little small hits of red and everything. So actually, this is actually an excellent shoe of choice, in my opinion, to rock with these. In my collection, I would probably put this together right here. And on a nice hot summer day or something, just throw this on, throw some basketball shorts on, might slide to the store or something like that. But yes, y'all let me know what you guys think. Do y'all own the Kilroys? You know what I'm saying? Do y'all think this is one that they should retro again? But hey, Kilroy kicks butt, you dig? The reality of it is UNC. Same type of balls, type of graphic shirt. These are like the newer ones that they've been dropping, y'all. So this is, you know, we have the classic balls, and this is more like like I said, more like a Transformer balls. But newest shoe that came out this past weekend, a lot of people might have slept on them, but you know, hey, Retro couldn't sleep, but Retro almost slept. But you have the UNC 3s, and this pair right here, and particularly, I would say would go with this. You can also wear your UNC low 1s. You can wear anything that has that UNC color in it. And I actually have one more shirt that I'm gonna switch into, which is our classic balls, y'all. This is the classic balls right here. As you guys see, I love how this one hits. The elephant print, everything. This shirt goes match perfect for these, and you already know how we rock, man. That is the last shirt. I know you guys are probably like, what are all these other shirts? Some of these are shirts that either I haven't worn them yet. You know, I got a couple things over here, like I got some Nike sweats over here, and they've been worn. You guys probably already seen my Chucky shirt that I got. I just never wore that. Then I got this Britney shirt. I just never wore that. Still haven't worn my MTV Spring Break shirt that I had picked up. And then these are just other shirts, like I got a Bob Marley shirt right here, and then I got a Guns N' Roses shirt right here. I haven't worn any of these shirts, so I just kind of had them just hanging up on there. I've been hanging up shirts that I haven't worn right there because when I hang them up in my closet, sometimes I forget. I probably got shirts in my closet right now that I haven't worn, and I just be forgetting. But so that I know that all of the shirts that I pick up I'll be putting them on here just so I know, hey, that's a newer shirt. But so that's pretty much it for the lookbook, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, join your boy DaRetroWizKid. Y'all know we on the race to 10,000 subscribers. Let me know what you guys think about all the Baws clothing. If you guys want to purchase anything that you saw on this video today, link is in the description box below. Save yourself 25% with my discount code. I appreciate all the love and support, y'all. Peace, love in Laguna Beach, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.
You, I swear to God, I'm here. And right now, GPMR, right now, boy, this is our year. I put the pick hard my heart and I tattoo the tears. I cannot explain no nothing more important than loyalty. I introduce her to the lifestyle, she enjoying it. It called go to what, little homie, I'm deploying them.